how to find archive on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find your archive on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram and now just click here on your profile here in the bottom corner, and then click these three lines in the top corner, this one, click on it and then click settings. And as you see here, you will find this one, the first one, archive, and then just click on it, and here you will find your archive, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.